Hello, everybody. So I just came back from the dentist. You know, a lot of drivers may feel tempted to ignore their teeth, but I actually saw a few years ago, I'll try to find the article, post it if I can. A truck driver died from a tooth infection. Um, he didn't think a whole lot about it. Complained to his wife. The next day, he was dead. The infection spread through his body and killed him. So you can never really take your teeth for granted. It seems like, you can go years without a dentist, but you should go every 6 months. Get your teeth clean, get the exam. I just got my annual exam today, got my teeth clean. I gotta come back in 3 weeks for some more work. But I had years ago, I had a tooth infection. I was in New Mexico, and it made my cheeks swell up like the size of a baseball. It was unbelievable. I went to the dentist, and they put me on antibiotics right away. Then they ended up pulling that tooth and then putting an implant in place. So, when you think as a small business owner, you're trying to maximize your efficiency, try to get your miles, get your profit, and all these things, right? Your health in general can sideline you, but your teeth can sideline you. So I always believe you got to keep everything in balance. Yes, you want to be profitable, you want to be productive, you want to be safe, but you also got to be healthy. You got to maintain your weight, watch out for obesity, your blood pressure, diabetes, and your teeth. Get your regular exams, cleanings on schedule. Stay on top of everything. It's just like maintenance on your truck. There's downtime. There's planned maintenance, and then there's roadside breakdowns. When you take care of your teeth, that's kind of like planned maintenance. Those are your PMs. When you have a toothache and you need an emergency visit to your doctor, dentist, that's kind of like a roadside breakdown. Unplanned downtime. And it's usually more expensive as well. So, if you want the smoothest business operation, to do work on clockwork, schedule your dentist appointments. Don't ignore your teeth. Schedule your primary care physicians. Don't ignore your health. Do all your preventative maintenance for your health and teeth, just like you would on your truck. Keep everything in balance. Don't try to be overproductive. Having good profit is good, but not at the expense of your teeth or your health. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the internet.